Hello, hi, welcome to my channel Hours Computer Learning. My name is Tarika Dedipya and present topic is CSS. Click the subscribe button, click the bell icon for interesting topics about CSS.
About CSS text lesson number 13, and today we are going to see the small example about the text. So in our browser, this is the text formatting, and this text is styled with some of the text formatting properties. So we are going to style some of the text formatting properties, and you can see here this is the click me, and this is the link which I have created in my notepad. So you can check in my notepad. So here I have written a link target underline blank. So here this was my Google link I have given here. So this is the click me, and this is the link which I have given, and you can see here in the browser the link is underlined. Remember, again I'm telling, the link is underlined. So we are going to change some designs in this paragraph. So now we are going to our notepad. Now we are going to change our, see the text style, see the heading, see the text style, and see everything which I have written in the normal way. So after designing my web page, you can see the difference. First of all, you have to mention, you have to see that I have written the divide element and paragraph. This is the heading which is usually we use. So first we are going to design for divide element. So divide declaration, enter, space. Here I'm going to write the border, complete border as 1 pixel, solid gray. Okay, and I'm going to write a padding all around 4 sides, like 8 pixel or 5 pixel. Okay, I'm closing the declaration, and here I'm going to write h1 declaration, enter, space, text alignment. I want to add my heading in the center, so text align is in center. So text align is in center, and text transform is in the uppercase means capital letters. You can see that I have used every small letters in except one starting letter, the text format. So you can see the uppercase of the text transformat, and color here I'm going to write for everything like hashtag 4CAF50. Okay, and closing the declaration. And for paragraph, here I am going to add text dash indent. Indent is a style, and that will be in the 50 pixel, and we are going to see more about more detail about this indent, line, space, and transform letter. Okay, text align text align will be justify. Okay, and the letter space, letter dash space, spacing will be like 3 pixel. Okay, closing the declaration. And here for link I am going to write text decoration, so which have used the underline. I have shown you by default will be underline the link. So to cut off those underline, we have to write the none. So none for the text underlining. And for color, for the text color, I am using the hashtag 008 CBA. This is the color, and closing the flower bracket, closing the decoration. Control S and refreshing my browser. So you can see the changes, and here we have got an error for the heading 1, because here I have written the here in the heading I have written the H2. So here I have written the H1. So no heading H1 now. So that's why it's not coming. So Control S and refreshing my browser. So this is our text formatting, and this text is style with some of the text formatting properties, and the heading used the text align, text form transform, and color properties. Also the paragraph is indent, aligned, and the space between the character is specified. The underline is removed from this colored link. So you can click on this and it will be open in another page, because we have used the target link blank, underline blank. So we have seen everything about this target link, and we have seen we are going to see about what is text formatting actually. So this is our presentation for the CSS text lesson number 13. If you don't click any if you don't click the YouTube bell icon, so you can't get my notification of my theory part. So from yesterday, from tomorrow's notepad explanation and tomorrow's theory part explanation, we are going to see somewhat about these topics like text color, text alignment, text decoration, text transformation, text indentation, letter spacing, line height, word spacing, and text shadow. Also we are going to see in our theory part and notepad explanation. So please do not miss my channel. Please do subscribe, like, share, and comment. After my name, I'll give the YouTube bell icon, so click the
Signing off, Tarika Dedipya. Thank you for watching Hours Computer Learning. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell icon. Subscribe button, bell icon.